Hopefully it comes out alright. It'll be a short video if it doesn't. So here's what we're doing. So here. Sometimes I put a pipe, a little wedge. Who knows? Okay, so one more. Which is
a little song I wrote to cheer you up. It's called Let's Go Already!
We're 4 hours in, and I'm starting to get a little bit concerned with clearance from here to here. I don't know if my bit's long enough. We've still got quite a bit to go. I guess I gotta babysit it now. Okay, in the middle, I'm not worried about it. I'm worried about slamming into this or this. I don't know. Hopefully it'll be alright. It's horrible to have to abandon the whole thing and start over. Does anybody know if it makes longer out of it? I can try flipping it out of the cup a little bit. I think it's in there a decent amount. Yeah, getting close. For those keeping score, I just stopped this and I slipped that bit out just a little bit without losing the Z position. I don't think this is going to come all the way through like I wanted it to, but I can definitely go a little deeper now. And basically, I just stopped the machine when it was here, when it was touching. I stopped the machine, loosened the collet, raised the head, and then tightened it down again so it was still in the same spot. So it was coming across here. when I did it, so hopefully I've got a little bit more room. Yeah, you can tell right there I gained a quarter of an inch maybe. That's the good news. The bad news is it looks like it's going to cut into my wasteboard. But only a little bit. I ran out of room. The only other long bit I have is this 1/8 inch, so we're going to have a little funky cut going on down here. A little bit of a lip, but deal with it after, I guess. We still had that much to go, and there was no way I was going to get any more out of that because I had that hanging. I had that hanging by a thread. So that was my next longer one. Hopefully I can find some longer bits. Even that one's getting close, isn't it?
A little longer than a few minutes later. Many hours later.
Wow. 6 hours in. The roughing pass is complete. So let's take a look, see what we got. Ruh-roh. Alright, let me take a break before I suck up anymore. I almost sucked up that screw. I gotta figure out where it comes from. Let me take just a quick break here. Okay, back to the task at hand. I didn't find any others. It is aluminum, so I can't search for the magnet, so hopefully that's the only one. I can't find an empty hole, but I did find another screw that's loose down in it's down in here in the screw that goes up and down. There's a brass piece in there, so I gotta tighten that up before we continue. But let's see what we've got. Okay, here's what we've got. What do you think? Pretty sexy, huh? That was totally worth 6 hours of my time. It's like a topographical map of the Grand Canyon. Oh, I didn't even get all the sawdust out. Wow. It's different, that's for sure. Alright, I've got a screw to screw back in. I've got to figure out where that screw fell out of, and then I can get back to carving. It's gonna have to be tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Okay, welcome back. Day 2. Let's get some more cutting done, hopefully. result of our first finish pass with the 1/8. Okay. A really long 1/8. I guess that's as good as you can get with a square-edge bit. So we're going to switch to the ball nose, itty bitty one, which says that it's going to be either 12 or 16 hours to cut. So I'll see if I can speed it up a little bit, but that's the next step. I'm actually thinking about leaving it in, maybe trim it to here so it matches on both sides, and just leave it in the block instead of trying to take it out. Because we got the live edge action going on the top. Might look better. Alright, let me finish this bad boy out and set it going again. Okay, let me get you in close so you can see the difference between a round nose bit and the square. Well, unfortunately, we've reached the limits of the machine. This corner is getting stuck on the wood. I mean, it's pushing right down on it. So I'm just going to round that edge off a little bit. Hopefully it will stick. I don't know why it's not flush to begin with, but it isn't. Alright. Let's see if it catches on the next pass. Catching right over here. Seems to work.
Several days later.
I think we've reached the end of the journey here. As that nut is just about ready to touch the sides. It's already touching in the back, so. So close. Yep, I think I'm going to have to call it. Yep, the nuts hitting the wall. Hate it when that happens. Alright, let me get this cleaned up and we'll take a look. Okay, here we have it. Let's see what it looks like. Not bad. Not too bad. Nope, I'm in my own shadow here. Not too bad. We got a little cherub. We got a woman holding the hair. I don't know what she's holding. And we've got torpedo lady. Looks like she's holding her hair too. And then we got a cherub. I think that's maybe a dragon. That little cherub angel thing. Angel thing here. Flowers. I don't know, maybe the spalted wasn't the way to go. Maybe I should cut it out of something with less color in it. But there you have it. Naked lady with angels.